All right, if you want to add a signature to your text messages on Android, the default Google Messages app unfortunately doesn't offer that option. So your best workaround would be to create a text replacement and use that instead. Go to Settings, and on a Samsung phone, you'll go to General Management, and from there, go to your keyboard settings, or Gboard settings as it's called here if you're using Google's Gboard as your keyboard. If you're on Motorola, Pixel, or something else, you'd find keyboard settings under Settings, then System, then Keyboard Settings. Once I'm in my keyboard settings, I'll go to Dictionary, then Personal Dictionary, and choose the language I'm using. I don't have any words in here yet, so I'll tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add one. Here, I'll type my signature. I'll do Anthony from Quick Tutorials. And for the shortcut, we're going to type what'll trigger that signature. So, to keep it short and easy, I'll do SIG, for example, short for signature. Now, when I go back, there's my personal dictionary entry all set up. So now, if I'm texting someone, let's say I'm asking if he wants to grab some coffee, I'll type SIG after my message, and my signature shows up right there in the suggestions bar. I tap that, and it fills in the full signature. So not a fully automated signature like you'd get on email, but a pretty solid workaround if you want a signature you can quickly apply to your messages. And that shortcut is system-wide, so the same thing will work in any app, not just while texting. And the good thing is it doesn't automatically get added to every message. That could get annoying fast. This way, you just add it whenever you actually need it. That's it. Hope the video helped. Click that like button if this provided value to you, and I'll hope to see you all in another video. Thanks, guys.